Hey guys, in today's technique tutorial, we're going to be running through how to improve your positions through the deadlift. So starting off from the floor, Mel's going to have the bar over her shoelaces, and then she's going to come down and grab onto the bar, and you're trying to essentially mimic the position at the bottom of, say, like if you were doing a leg press. So if you were to turn her sort of upright, she would be at the bottom of like the leg press, the bottom position of the leg press. And then essentially you're going to push the floor away through the heels, come up and then just pause there. Once you get to the knees, you want to thrust your hips through to the bar, so you can see how Mel's glutes are really engaged. Instead of actually coming up, and you don't want to lean back, it should be all the glutes that essentially get the bar from the knees to the hip. And then on the way back down, you want to essentially think about pushing your hips back, lengthening the hamstrings, and then softening the knees as you get past, and then finishing at the bottom. Alright guys, that's our technique tutorial for today.